We guide you through how to add credit card to PayPal so you can make payments quickly and securely. First thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account using the app or web browser on your laptop or phone. Once logged in, go to Wallet and click a link, a card. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Then, tap or click Save. PayPal may temporarily change or charge a small amount to verify your card, but this will be refunded automatically. After verification, your credit card will appear in your wallet and be ready to use for online payments, subscriptions, and money transfer. You can also choose your credit card as your preferred payment method during checkout. If you ever need to remove or update the card, just go back to your wallet and manage your payment options anytime.